Welcome to your journey home into the world of XL Homes. We strive to create lasting value in all our communities. This is best achieved when you, as the homeowner, know and perform some simple, basic maintenance tasks. Periodic maintenance is necessary because of normal wear and tear, the inherent characteristics of the materials used in your home, and normal service required by the various systems and equipment in your home. XL Homes is pleased to provide simple and easy-to-follow seasonal checklists that will ensure your home will remain healthy and beautiful. Let's start with the inside of your home, specifically the instruments that keep your family safe from harm, your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors. It's essential to ensure that both are in good working order. It's highly recommended to test them periodically and replace the batteries as required. Check and reset your ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. You'll find these in bathrooms and at main electrical panels. Air out damp basements on dry, sunny days. This can be done by running the furnace fan and HRV, but opening the window is also helpful. Check your HRV, or heat recovery ventilator unit. For the first couple of years, we recommend every 3 months due to the extra dust from construction. After that, you should change it every 6 months as part of regular maintenance. Clean range hood filter. Using your dishwasher is a safe and efficient way to clean the filter. Check caulking for soundness, cracking, detachment, and signs of water or air penetration. Remove and replace with appropriate type of caulking if necessary. And finally, inspect doors and locks. After coming out of the unpredictable spring season, it's important to carefully check the exterior of your home. Start by checking exterior wood surfaces for deterioration and refinish the wood surfaces, including window frames and doors. We also recommend hiring a professional to check your roof flashings, valleys, missing or damaged shingles, and vents, inspect driveways and walkways. And lastly, check auxiliary buildings such as detached garage and sheds for secureness to base anchors, loose or missing components, or damage caused from rodents. Maintaining your new residence properly and regularly will ensure that every facet of your home performs as intended, avoiding unnecessary and costly repairs. Congratulations on your new home purchase with XL Homes. At XL Homes, it's all about simplifying your journey home.